Having a social network keeps you motivated and accountable. The stats show that people with 3 or more connections on the Myzone app are 62% more likely to hit their fitness goals. Ready for the rundown? 1. Go to the menu in the Myzone app. 2. Select the Connections tile. 3. Under the Search Online tab, you can find friends already using Myzone. Beneath the search bar, friend recommendations will automatically populate. If you're part of a Myzone gym, for example, fellow members using Myzone will pop up. Connect with them to start building your social network. 4. Tap the Connections tab to view your current connections. The app automatically orders profiles by MEPs earned for the month, so you can see how well you're doing against your friends. 5. Each profile has a mini menu. Click on it to send a message, view their calendar, see their connections, or disconnect. 6. You can also tap anywhere on a profile to review your friends' workouts in depth. Did they recently crush a workout? Like or comment on it to keep things friendly and competitive. This has been a Myzone Rundown. Until next time, strap in, start tracking, and use #MyZoneCommunity for all of your workout posts and pictures.